Hi everyone, welcome back. We're still here at Potter's Bar Skatepark. We've just done a quick setup here, a little bit of sandwich lighting. We've got the CITI600 Pro up on the left, and on the right of the shot we've got a little peaker just to bring a bit of light into the back of the subject. We're going to have the skaters coming in, run the bowl, and we'll capture our shots from there. So all we've done here is we're using a short lens, 24. We've got two pieces of lighting, 200 this side, 600 on the front, and we're just sandwiching the light. It gives me a real grungy look, underexposed, one full stop, brings the clouds out, gives me a shot I'm after.